Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best ceramic Christmas trees that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Best Choice Products Prelit Ceramic Tabletop Christmas Tree. Coming near the top of this list we have the Best Choice Ceramic Christmas Tree. It's a great holiday-inspired product which can be used to welcome the holiday spirit in your home or office. It has an appealing design and features multicolored lights. Add a little charm to your holiday decor with this pre-lit tabletop Christmas tree. The beautifully hand-painted, ceramic body brings a joyful, nostalgic feeling to enjoy through the season. Festive, multicolored lights shine brightly along the body, while a 7-pointed star glows delicately on top. Perfect for a home, office, or classroom, this small tree can fit on almost any mantle, countertop, or table. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Kincaid Crystal Tabletop Christmas Tree. Christmas season calls for shimmering lights and Christmas trees. But if you want to feel a few hints of this joyful season all year round, tabletop Christmas tree displays would definitely light your day up. One of the bests you can find is the Kincaid Crystal Tabletop Christmas Tree that showcases sparkling and changing lights while the music powers on and the miniature traditional train go in motion, running around the base of the tree just like many sights seen during Christmas. Every single detail is designed intricately and would truly fascinate your eyes with the lively hues of red and green. The sculptural village is carefully and beautifully hand-painted to exhibit the joyful events during this season. And to make it much livelier, the tree illuminates and the village homes as well. At number 3, we have the ReLIVE Christmas is Forever Lighted Tabletop Ceramic Tree. This particular ceramic Christmas tree comes in 3 different heights. You can decide if you want this in the 8-inch version or you want to go for the 11-inch or 14-inch versions. It is a great purchase for someone looking for a tabletop ceramic Christmas tree for decorative purposes. This ReLIVE ceramic Christmas tree boasts numerous little lights that give off an appealing glow. Get ready for the holiday season with this 14.5 green ceramic Christmas tree with multicolored lights. It's a perfect way to decorate with vintage style. This ceramic Christmas tree features multicolored lights and a star. The tree lights light up from a central light at the base of the tree. Enjoy the cheerful glow that emanates from this festive piece. At number 2, we have the Kincaid Wonderland Express Animated Tabletop Christmas Tree. Occupying the 6th position in the list of the top 10 best ceramic Christmas trees, this particular ceramic Christmas tree is another great choice for people who like little ceramic figurines. The entire thing boasts intricate details. Don't be surprised if you or any other onlooker spends some time trying to observe all of the character and building details that help make this item a great choice. A magnificent collectibles market first inspired by the cherished artwork of the acclaimed painter of light, available only from the Bradford Exchange. Hawthorne Village Division lights up with movement. And finally, at number 1, we have the Disney Tabletop Christmas Tree, The Wonderful World of Disney. This particular ceramic Christmas tree is sure to add more joy to your Christmas spirit. It is an excellent option for people who love Disney. There are different characters Disney fans will be able to recognize. You'll get to see Bambi, Mickey Mouse, a variety of Disney princesses, and more. All of the characters fit right into the holiday theme. The magic of Disney delivers all the joys of the holidays with spectacular Disney Christmas decor from Hawthorne Village. Breathtaking tabletop Disney Christmas tree decor captures 10 unique holiday scenes, starring over 50 sculpted, hand-painted Disney character figures from your favorite movies and more. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.